Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong conceptual problem coming from a past board exam, which is from the Engineering Mathematics Electrical Engineering Board, September 2021. So before natin sagutan to, napakasimple lang naman itong conceptual problem. Shoutout muna kay Allen James De Loyola at kay Sam Rio Salmingo. And thank you so much sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuport sa channel natin. And praying for the best para sa inyo mga idol. So ito yung problem natin or ito yung conceptual question. The sum of the distances from the two foci to any point in what curve is constant. So kung una natin siyang babasahin, parang kulang yung tanong. Pero pag iisipin natin, ang hinahanap kasi anong curve daw yung may sum ng distances from the two foci to any point on that curve. Parang ganun yung concept niya. And for this question, ang sagot dito must be a conic section. So, for this problem, guys, i-discuss ni Sir IJ, ano ba yung differences in terms of the definition of the four conic sections na madalas nating ginagamit. Okay, so meron tayong apat na conic section. Meron tayong circle, meron tayong parabola, guys. Okay, let us take note of this one. Meron tayong ellipse, and also meron tayong hyperbola. Okay, so apat yan. Meron tayong ellipse, hyperbola, circle, and parabola. So, ang circle kasi, kapag sa circle kasi, yung fixed point natin isa lang, and that is the center. So, tandaan natin na kapag meron tayong circle, let's say this is a perfect circle, ang definition kasi niya is, the sum of the fixed point from any point on the curve is constant. And that distance is equivalent to our radius. So, kumbaga, in terms of the definition, a circle is a set of moving points such that it is always equidistant from a fixed point called the center. And that distance is what we know as the radius. So, yun yung definition niya. So, basically, hindi na siya circle. Although wala namang circle sa choice. Next, we have a parabola. So, ano ba ang drawing, Sir IJ? Example drawing ng parabola. Let's say we have a parabola opening to the right. So, ang definition kasi ng parabola, it is always equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. So, tandaan po natin, ano po ba yung fixed point tsaka fixed line na yon? So, ang fixed point na yun is also known as the foci. So, ito yung fixed point natin. And the line we are referring to is the directrix. Tandaan po natin, kapag circle, isang fixed point lang. Kapag kay parabola, wag pong kakalimutan na meron tayong fixed point and meron tayong fixed line. Take note of this one, guys, ha? Okay, so how about Sir IJ? So, basically, mali na yung parabola. So, meron na lang tayo, it can be either hyperbola or ellipse na lang. So, what if hyperbola naman siya, Sir IJ? Ang drawing ng hyperbola kasi, guys, ganito. So, parang dalawa siyang parabola na magka-opposite. It's either pa ganyan or pa ganon. So, that's a hyperbola. Ang keyword sa hyperbola is, ito yung moving points such that the difference of the distance from two fixed points, that is the foci. Dalawang fixed points ng ellipse tsaka ng hyperbola. Ang fixed points is nasa loob nito. Ito yung F1 natin, ito yung F2. Tapos take note natin, the keyword for the hyperbola is difference. Okay? So dahil sum yan, so mali na yung hyperbola. Obviously, the correct answer is letter D, ellipse. Ang drawing kasi ng ellipse, Sir IJ, is parang paganto siya, guys. Pag ganyan. Kunyari na lang ellipse yan, ha. Although hindi siya perfect ellipse, pasensya na kayo. Ito yung dalawang fixed points natin. So, tandaan po natin na kapag nakakita kayo ng sum of the distances. So, sum, yun yung keyword sa ellipse. Ulitin ko po, circle, fixed point lang. Kapag parabola, fixed point and fixed line. Kapag ellipse, the sum of the distances. Kapag hyperbola, that is the difference of the distances. I hope medyo na-refresh kayo sa pre-calculus nyo nung senior high nyo, mga Lodi Cakes. And kahit napakasimpleng conceptual question lang siya, wag po nating mamalin kasi sayang din yung 1 point sa boards. So ayun guys, if ever may questions or clarifications, don't forget to comment on the comment section. Thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. Medyo malapit-lapit na po tayo mag 100,000. And kita-kits on my next math and engineering related tutorial contents and videos. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.